think we found the apartment. Did we find the apartment? What's up, guys? I'm Mommy,
And I'm Bella.
and together we are Mommy and We Travels. So currently we are still here in Da Nang, Vietnam, and I think we found the apartment. Did we find the apartment? We found the apartment. What do you like most about the apartment? Well, I'll tell you what I like most about it. What I like most about it is for the price. The size is decent. It's in a really decent area. It's not really close to all of the touristy things, but I don't need to be close to all of the touristy things. But it's in a really decent area. We have security downstairs. The grocery store is right around the corner, maybe like a 3-minute drive. It's a little noisy on the outside, but when you go on the inside and close the door, you can, barely hear all of the honking and stuff. But I really like our apartment. I can't wait to show you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like before we started designing and putting things together, and I'm going to show you guys the after. Okay, yeah, so come along. Did they want for this one again? Else, is there a desk in that room? Yeah? Have asked, what does 10 million Vietnamese dong get you in Da Nang? So welcome to our 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment here in Da Nang, and it's 10 million VND, so that is roughly 376 Vietnamese dong. And so it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, as I said, and we're gonna start here in my room. So of course, queen size bed, right? Shelving, there's lots of storage space. Okay, and then there's a nice view outside. I got some chairs and stuff outside. All right, and then we have your bathroom here, your first bathroom here. All right, got a little working area there. And each room here has a balcony. Okay, so you got an outside area. All right, washer there, and we hang our clothes to dry. Right, and then this is the living room area, and this video is long overdue. Living room area, sofa, table, air conditioning, and then there's a kitchen area here. You got your stove, air fryer over there, sink, refrigerator, microwave, storage, and then here is the second restroom. Right, so 2 restrooms. Right. And then here is the second room. So this is Isabella's room, in which she never ever stays. All right, so her bed, and she has a balcony that is there. She has a working area over there, and of course she has a window. But yeah, I think that's gonna be the shortest video we've ever did. But there's an induction stove, a nice view out the window of the mountains. What else can I say? I don't know, but this is our nice home abroad, and yeah, I really wouldn't change it. And it is about, I believe it's close to 100 square meters. Okay, and it's comfy enough for the two of us, and that's it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I've been getting a lot of requests for the apartment, and y'all, it took us a minute to even to record it because, you know, just we're busy. But and you know, I'm going to show you guys the before and after, because we did, you know, put a few things in the apartment, like the rugs. We switched the sofa out, the greenery, like our theme here is green and gray. We got the curtains here switched out. They were blue when we moved in. In the restrooms, the green curtains. There were no shower curtains in there, and of course the green rugs, and you know, the bedding is green. All right, and then Isabella, she chose her room color. She loved she loves pink, so she wanted to keep hers pink, and so we're gonna stick with that theme. But yes, this is our humble home abroad, and we hope that you guys like it, because we love it and we would not change it. You know, we wouldn't change it. This is our very first apartment, and I don't think that I honestly didn't see anything better than this for $376 US. All right, so I really hope that you guys like the video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you guys want to see next.